Hey, I'm glad you're here. I'm Paivi and I want to tell you something. 6 years ago, my life changed rather quickly. I still remember the very second it happened. We just got back from an amazing YouTubers party in Evansville, Indiana, and I went to get the mail. And bam, there it was. There was knife swinging maniac, cops, and court date involved. This was one stressful day.
Hopefully no one. I hope, I sure hope. Bring the car keys. Please open, please open, please open, please open. Oh, door is unlocked.
Police department! Police department, anybody's in here, make yourself known!
Looks like he's moved out. Looks like he's moved out.
Yeah.
Oh my God. All the doors are open. Okay. Where's the last room?
Police department!
Okay, he's gone. He's gone. He's gone. Oh my God.
And I got my house back in nightmarish way. Mean things were purposely done to try to hurt me. And my house was left in a bad shape. So I started fixing it up the best I could. This is the last of the violations in my house that I need to fix. I am not having fun right this moment. I ripped all the old flooring out, and with hubby's help, we fixed the floor, put down the underlayment and the new flooring. And then this happened. Ever since she arrived, she has been everything we needed, good helper, and a great watchdog. So this is the mudroom, and it is looking pretty terrible. Let's look at this wall over here. So what happened here? There was also word death carved on the wall. So it was time to get this room going. Power tools! Yeah! I cleared all this out, and what do you know? There was 2 windows behind there. Me and hubby put the new drywall up, and I got busy mudding the walls and getting them ready for painting. I also painted the beam, and hubby installed some baseboard molding.
Luna, I don't think you're a good helper.
This room is not done yet, but it's a lot better than it was. This is the bathroom. I didn't like the color, and it was missing a door trim. I fixed the walls, painted it white, and added accent wall color. It's not done yet, but it looks much better. In the kitchen, I prepped the walls, painted white, and added some yellow. I also prepped and painted the ceiling. Now it's time for the cabinets. With the help of my wonderful assistant, I took all the cabinet doors off. I moved them to the basement and got them ready for painting. So let's look at this kitchen window here. The guy who was living here, let's call him Dick. He did all this remodeling and painting here. I don't understand. Why did you do this? How can anybody remodel like this? I did a lot of scraping and prepping so I can paint everything white. Then I cleaned this with this. And it all came off. And I got the corner done. We hung some cabinet doors. So the kitchen is not done yet, but it's looking much better. Hubby finished the microwave power cord, and now this corner is done and looking good. I picked these handles for the doors.
Hi.
Luna, you wanna say hi? You wanna say hi, Luna Lou?
Next, we're gonna look at this door. It used to be all white, and look at it now. When Dick painted it, he used some kind of a terrible paint that was still sticky and came off on your finger like this. So I sanded, primed, and painted it this pretty blue. Bedroom 1, the black room. I prepped the walls for painting. It took a couple of coats to cover the black. Then I filled this carving and got busy painting over this artwork. I also worked on these drop ceiling panels. I wanted the ceiling to look better, so I used paper, mud, and paint to make it look better. I even painted these tracks and few panels, but with the new plans, they all end up going in the trash. Okay, so let's go here. The bedroom 2. Oh boy, look at this room. Since the ceiling was looking pretty bad, I thought I'd try texturing it with paper, mud, and paint. And I think it turned out pretty good. Let's look at this wall a bit closer. So Buddy Dick here decided to put this horrible hard and sharp texture to the wall panels. And then there is this mudding also. I would really like to know why. Why did you do this, Dick? What was the master plan here? Well, since this panel has come loose, why don't I rip it a little more?
So, I did it. My husband doesn't know, because he would get mad. But I have to see what was behind that. It does not look that bad. I think it's gonna be alright. It's a little holy.
Okay, so this is how it's looking right now. There's a little bad area right here, but I think it's all fixable. Next, I work on the bedroom door. I got it all sanded and ready for painting. It's a lot better now. I like it. We finally drywalled the bedroom and I even got me a new mudding tool. We ended up drywalling the whole room and I am still working on it. Then I work on the baseboards and window trims. I painted all of them, but this is not the final color.
A lot of things has happened since then. Illnesses, deaths, and even a menopause. Not a fun stuff. Not a fun stuff at all. But I am still here kicking and screaming. Me and hubby have had this dream for many years, but we were not seeing eye to eye on some things until little over a year ago. Now we were finally on the same page. I figured it out how about getting it all started. It's a big thing. A big thing. Me and hubby, we are plenty over 50 years old now, and there is no time to waste to get our best and the most amazing adventure started. In order us to do what we want to do, we're going to have to move. And not only we are moving into a tiny house. Our current home is more than twice the size than the house we are moving into. Moving into a tiny home means we're going to have to let go of a lot of stuff. 15 years of collecting things, and now it's going to be bye-bye. So we can fit into this tiny home. So some of you who've been following me for a while might be thinking right now, if we are moving into my project house. And the answer is yes. Yes, we are. That is part of the plan. So pretty much at the end of July, right after my pink shoelace dance, I've been working here in the backyard. I've been moving and piling bunch of wood multiple times. We have done some construction here outside, and because of that, my backyard was left in a not good shape. I did not like it. It was all one hill.
We also fixed up this bad fence. While the boys were working, I burned a lot of shrubbery, tree limbs, and whatnots in this fire pit. That thing was burning hot for days.
I needed to create some level areas so we can have our seating areas, we can have our fire pit area, hang out and enjoy instead of a hill. I've been digging and moving bunch of dirt by hand with the shovel.
It was the second heat wave at the end of the summer, and the ground was very dry and very hard, and it was so hot outside. I was digging and moving dirt for weeks.
I've been digging and moving these blocks. Very hard to dig. They were buried under the dirt. I had to dig them all out by hand with my shovel. It was hard. It was hard. The ground was super tough. That was a lot of work. So much work. Then I built my very first retaining wall.
I had this nice lady donating some old cinder blocks to me, and I put them in a good use. Woohoo!
I got my very best future fire pit area started.
We also got a new roof put up and the chimney got updated. I cleaned up the old chimney bricks the best I could, and I used them in the fire pit bottom. I did not get my projects done before the winter. There is still a lot to do, but it's better now.
And I also started digging our patio area, which is still ongoing project. We got 2 houses to fix, one for moving in and one for sale. This year has been crazy. It's been a lot of late evenings and nights and some beer. And this is going to continue until we get our asses over here and the other house gone. And then we can really get down the business. So stay tuned for more and subscribe. And I'll see you later. Bye.